Hey guys, so look, I'm cutting a bunch of tennis birds. Let's cut them together. I've prepared a scissor. And then I'll just cut 3. Oh. Let me just cut a little bit first for the outlines, whatever stuff. I don't know how to call these, like maybe like the lines or something, how many lines, but yeah. I'm just gonna put it right there. Good. Now I've learned the secret trick where you can just do something like this. I don't know what this is actually called, but yeah, I made this trick myself. I don't know, try it yourself if you want to cut like some lines or something, whatever. And yeah. So that you can just easily cut. Wait, let me just cut that off first. Hold up, okay? I know what I'm doing. No need to worry about these little tennis birds. Look, I have a cup where I just put all these tennis birds that I have cut inside. So yeah, now I'm just gonna, I'm not sure if you can see that, but yeah. I'm just gonna cut the little tennis birds. Not that sure. Wait. Yo. Anyways. Yes, I'm just gonna cut these. I'll show you the result. Here they are. They're really tiny, I see. Yeah. I literally printed like 240 of them. And yes, I've already cut some of them. At the end, I'll show you how to print all these. I mean, like, not show, I mean, just tell you how to, yeah, whatever. I don't really know, but yeah, what are those called? Let's just say a tutorial, but I just finished another one. That's good. Now, another one. I finished it. Hold up. I'm not sure if you can see this one. Now, let me set up the camera. Yes, this one. Yeah. So yes, that's it, I guess. I'm just gonna clean all these mess, because it's getting pretty messy right here. Okay, yes. Something like that. Clean, clean, clean. Hold on, yeah, that's good already. There are the tennis birds. So how to like print it is that you just search in Google, search tennis bird, and then you put a bunch of them on like an app, MS Paint or whatever, like Word or something. And then after that you paste as much tennis birds as you want in a like a line, whatever. Yeah, you can see this, something like that, these stuffs. And then yeah, after that you just cut a little bit of like whatever lines, and then choose how much to cut. So yeah, that's all about this video. So bye.